Hello guys, let's continue to learn modern JavaScript. In this session, let's take a look at strings. In JavaScript, we can use a single quote, double quotes, and backticks to create a string. And especially for backticks, it supports expressions like this. You can put all kinds of expression inside this curly brace. And backticks also accept multiple lines. For special characters, you can put like this, /n. /n means multiple lines. For backticks, you don't have to do that. And the other special characters like this, and especially for Unicode, you can do things like this. For backslash, you want to output a single quote within a single quote string. Then you have to put backslash. And for this case, we are using backticks, so we don't have to put a backslash. But if you want to output a backslash like this, you have to put double backslash within the backticks. The length of special characters. For /n, it occupies one size of the string. For this case, the total length of the string is 3. How to access the character of the string? We can use square bracket and with the index. We also can call char@, method. The differences: when the character is not found, the square bracket will return undefined, while the char@ will return empty string. We can use for of to access all the characters of that string. String is immutable. We cannot modify a string like this, but you can replace the whole string by creating a new string. You can change the cases of the string by calling the method. You also can change one single character as well. When you search a substring, you can call index of. Put 2 parameters. One, the target, the other is the start index. The default of the start index is 0. You also can search from the end of string to its beginning by last index of. When we check whether the string is found or not, we can use not equal minus 1. So we also can use a tilde like this. It's same as minus braces minus 1 plus 1. So we only care about this one. You can ignore this part. So with that tilde, we can use a shorter form of the condition to check whether the target is found or not. With the string, we can use the other method to check. Includes, start with, end with. This one check whether this target is inside this string or not. Start with, check whether the string starts with this part or not. Similarly, this one checks with whether this string ends with this part or not. How to get a substring? In JavaScript, we have slice, substring, and substr. So slice and substring are very similar because the parameter of these two methods are start and end. The difference between these two is the start and end. The value for slice, if the start is bigger than end, it always return empty. And for substring, it doesn't matter. So for this case, substring 2, 6 returns this value, and 6, 2 also returns this value. But for slice, 2, 6 returns this value, but 6, 2 return empty string. For substr, The first parameter is start. The second parameter is length. So for this case, we put 2 as the start index, then 4 is the length. So we return 4 characters from index 2. And first argument may be negative to count from the end. For this case, we count from the end, the index 4, then return 2 characters, which is this one. So compare a string. So for this case, we will compare the first letter of the string. And for this case, also compare the first letter of the string. Once we found a bigger one or smaller one, we return the corresponding value. All strings are encoded using UTF-6. For this case, we can use code pointer at. For this one, we check the position of that code. The small z and big Z are different. So apparently, the small z is bigger than big Z. We also can convert the code to the character by calling this from code point. If we output this one, we get the actual character like this. For this case, we are going to output all the characters with the pointer range from 65 to 220. We get these characters. When we compare a string, it's better to use local compare. For example, this one. If it returns 1 means the first string, this string is bigger than this string. 0 means they are equal. Minus means this string is less than this string. Let's take a look at the other special cases. For Unicode, for this special character, it occupies length of 2. This one also length of 2. This one special character length of 2. And if we want to output 1 character for this special character, it's a strange simple. Similarly for this one. Technically, if you want to output the single part of the string, you want to get, for example, this code 0 and this code 1. You get their corresponding code. It's between this range. So these two codes together representing 1 entire character like this. Oh, let's take a look at this example. This one is talking about how to output a special Unicode. So for this, we have S. We want to put a dot above the S. So we put this. This one, we put 1 dot above the S, the other dot below the S. And this one and this one, there's the order. Either it's up at the front or the down at the front. So they are representing the same character basically, but if we compare them, they are not the same. So we need a method called normalize to solve this problem. For this case, a little bit special because this character is very common, and Unicode table, the 16 table, already has a unique code for it, so which is this value. Yeah, that's all for strings. Thanks for watching. See you next session.